Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to open up your YouTube studio. And so yeah, first of all, there are many ways how to open up your YouTube studio. You're gonna go over here, type in YouTube studio. YouTube studio, and here I will bring this. So you're gonna click this first one, or if you're using an iPhone, you can just download it on Google Play, so you don't need to worry about every time to open that YouTube Studio. Gonna click this button. You can do this kind of way, but yeah, you can do it that kind of way, and also you can open up this way. This, you're just gonna click that and then click your channel. YouTube Studio, it's this icon over here. Tap, just click it. It'll bring your dashboard, means how much subscribers you have, top videos, and watch time hours, and viewers. What is this? Oh, this channel is a new one. I just created for fun. As you can see, I don't have any videos over here. It's a new one. Content means your videos, live videos, playlist. You can just add a playlist, but broadcast. So this is for broadcast. Description, title, public or private, public. You can also go to analyst, which means your analyst, how much people you have watched in your channel, the whole thing, and you can just figure it up. Content, audience, subscribers. It's just cause of the there this is new. I never have posted videos over here just for fun. Comments means your comments and mentions about YouTube. So subtitles is like channel subtitles, means your videos like this video. This Google Pixel 7a is now this kind of, this is the title, channel subtitles, right? So this is drafts all published, and also go to copyright, which means any people that copied you will be over here. Earnings on YouTube, how much you earn on YouTube. Customization center, where you customize your videos. Audio library, audios for your videos. Look. Okay. There are many fun audios to choose from. You can choose any. But how should we upload a video? We can't upload video without having this. Look, gonna click saving settings. Gonna go to upload default. Why is this for? It's just for the, when you are a big one, you need to have a phone number. That's why YouTube will make sure you are a big adult to do this. You're gonna go to channel, advanced feature eligibility. Click this. My phone number is already verified. Your phone number has to be verified so you can upload videos. You can upload shorts without having phone number verified, but I think Like having a phone number is more good. Send feedback, which means when you see from this copyright issue, someone copies, you're just going to capture screenshot for the from that channel and just write the description. Describe your feedback. This is YouTube Studio and YouTube. This is my channel that I made for me doing some coding machine. I don't know, but I was thinking about that kind of video. So how to upload your video? There's also one way, two ways. Gonna click upload videos, or if you have 1000, you can click go live. Select files, you can select files, and let's go over to YouTube channel, our channel. How to do that? Gonna click this, your channel. You can also do this way, upload video, click the live button and upload video. Click select files and just upload it. It will not accept any um like pictures, cause pictures aren't videos, as you know. So, and here are this YouTube Studio tips and tricks. Bye.